our real identity, it doesn't matter what is our ethnic background, is to be mestizo people. And to be mestizo people in the way that the Inca Garcilaso was. We can be white, we can be black, we can be Indians, we can be Japanese or Chinese, it doesn't matter. If we are Latin Americans, we have the extraordinary privilege to have behind us very different, very ancient, and very important cultural traditions that are ours just by the fact that we are born in a continent, in a place that has been impregnated, infected by all kinds of different traditions, beliefs, uses, customs. And this diversity is an extraordinary richness. We can understand this much more easily now than in the past, when people was much more secluded in only one tradition or belief. Now borders are disappearing. We live in a world, fortunately, that is more and more integrated in spite of tremendous obstacles, prejudices against this globalization. And I think it's very luckily to belong to a world in which this globalization has been happening, occurring since almost now 500 years. Well, we must thank Inca Garcilaso de la Vega to have the extraordinary advanced vision for his time to understand that the world would run in this direction and give us the example to overcome all the racial, cultural, linguistic prejudices and understand that in this camp of experience, diversity, plurality is never a handicap, but also an advantage and a privilege. I thank you very much, the America Society. I thank you, Raquel Chan Rodriguez, and I thank you all for your patience with my English. Thank you very much.